Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find a lost crypto wallet on Android. First, thoroughly check your device's app drawer and all folders for the wallet application icon. Sometimes, apps are accidentally moved. Next, search your phone's internal storage and cloud backups for any wallet backup files or seed phrases you might have saved. Also, review your email for any initial setup confirmations or recovery phrase notes. Your recovery seed phrase is crucial for regaining access. This sequence of 12 or 24 words is the master key to your funds. If you find it, you can use it to restore your wallet on the original or a new Android device. Always double-check you are using the official wallet application to prevent scams. Never share your seed phrase with anyone. Sometimes, simple issues prevent access. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can cause problems. Next, check if your wallet application needs an update. Outdated versions can have bugs. If issues persist, try clearing the app's cache and data in your Android settings. This often resolves minor glitches without affecting your funds. If all else fails, reach out to your wallet provider's official support channel. They might offer specific recovery steps or insights. For physically lost backup files, professional data recovery services could be an option, though success is not guaranteed. Remember to always back up your seed phrase securely in multiple locations. And for a smart home upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.